Hey guys, today we're going to be I'm going to be filming official ZZ or H2O Valerie's getting shot by the bacon shuffler right there. So yeah, I'm hoping I don't get shot because that hurt. So full back, full CO2, full mag, 24 bullets. Hurts like shit. So bear it back, or so not bear it back. I'll record. Taylor, get your back faced.
Ready?
Yeah.
Fire! Holy! Oh, that hurt! Oh my god! That hurt a lot more than I expected.
Here, let's see your back. Let's go do shit.
It mostly hit my arm.
Let's see your arm quickly.
Is there anything?
Yeah, there's a couple welts there. Did you get anything back, or?
Yeah, I got a couple in my back, but that hurt a lot more.
Hey.
Dude, all of those hit me.
That fucking big shit hurts like a motherfucker.
Yeah, it does.
Alright, my turn.
Okay.
Oh,
So
yeah.
you want to do an outro?
Yeah, so me getting shot.
Please subscribe.
Yeah.
Shut the fuck up, bacon shuffler.
So yeah. Took one for the team. Alright, later.